Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit Reserve 4xe in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With high altitude package, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, 21-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, only 8,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, 10.1-inch rear entertainment screens, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7249.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.